3, go!
So,
so I went to the park.
and I saw a phone charger on the grass.
And I said, "What are you doing, little phone charger? You're not supposed to be in the grass."
It's an M&M full of the elephant's trunk.
What about the red hat in the corner?
Well, it fell off of my head.
And so, after the park, I said to the little monkey, "How's it been living a pug's life?"
The little monkey said, "You know what? It's gonna rain on Tuesday."
"Why on Wednesday?" "Wednesday.
Because it can't rain on Thursday.
But it's only Monday.
So that's why it's Saturday on tomorrow.
And next week?"
Friday.
So then, once the little egg hatched,
A little dinosaur said, "Give me back my chicken nugget."
"Because I ain't living in the forest for nothing. Yeah, sucker.
Living in the street?
That's what it's like to be a homie G," said the baby chicken.
And then it fell in a basket of clown juice.
And that sucker said, "Eat my juice."
And then beeped his horn, reversed, and drove into the sunset.
Nah, man, that was no sunset. That was right into the river valley where the birds poop and say, "Yeah!"
But then, little grandma came to visit and give you the kiss.
"Give me some of that kiss," said the little red riding hood's mom. And the wolf said, "You ain't getting no kiss from me. You better fork over that basket. Give me those cookies." Then,
Then, a little baby drowned in the oil spill in the lake, Austin.
and then, when the little baby joined the Lake Austin, my turn! And the ice cream man came and said, "Let me sing you a little song, little baby oil spill." It goes, "Tweet, tweet, 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 tweet. My mama gave me 2 cents to buy myself a pickle, and I said, no, no. And I said, no, no. 'Cause with 2 cents on this Thursday, Monday, Friday, Sunday, Monday, I said, no, no.
I still need to back my room.
Room.
I need to sweep for the bathroom.
Swoop in the bathroom.
I took a picture of my toe, put it on my face for a show.
For a show. Which you know nothing about, 'cause as an ice cream man we sell ice cream every day. And I said, today is your day, little Red Riding Hood. You can get it for 50% off, 'cause my mama gave me 2 cents to buy myself a pickle. And I said, no, no. And I said, no, no.
So then, after the baby panda bear went home, he slipped and fell and BAM! He broke his little wiener toe.
Wiener toe? His toe is a wiener. I'm sorry, little kids. That wasn't inappropriate. Well, story time's over because you need to go to bed. So, bye!
Night.